Hi guys. So, are you done?
Yes.
Today we're going to be doing Samuel. Right there. Today we're going to be doing a farm tour of everything. Just going out my front door and my other front door. And it's kind of chilly outside. Okay. Now we're gonna go that way. Now we're going to go see the chickens and the rabbits, the horses, and then we'll make our way over to the shop where you see the saddles and stuff.
Maybe the farm tour, how about we take a tour?
That right there is a corn crib. We don't use it at all, but
if we're going to do a farm tour, how about we do the whole farm?
no. That's wood. That's from like trees and stuff. And then back there you see like grain bins, which we don't use anymore. Which, I mean, we never use them. And then this right here is the chicken shed. And there's some chickens down there. Shush. We don't have a rooster, by the way. So we come in here, and we have some corn for the chickens. The water, a hose to wash the horses. We have two water buckets to fill horse waters. We have chicken food, and more chicken food, and more chicken food. You know, we have some rabbits. And then this door just goes into the chickens. Yeah. Just pull this right here. It's like right here. Open it. And there's chickens! I'll get one for you. Here's a chicken. Put it up. Here's a chicken right here. Yeah. It's a chicken. And then there's some chickens getting laid. They're laying right now.
Wow, there's a lot of chickens laying.
Yeah. And then you just, that's my chicken bed. Then you come back over here and we go out. They have not laid any eggs yet. That's what they're in the process of doing.
Oh, one has laid one egg.
But we're not going to get it right now.
Some Betty.
Yeah. And then you just come out, back outside. It's gonna be really bright. You have to keep it up.
I'm letting them look at stuff.
And then you go this way, and we'll go to the horses. I'm not gonna go in there right now. I don't know, just stay out. I take the shortcut a lot. That right there is lady. She doesn't like me.
You're not the boss of me.
And then this is Classy. She's my horse. She's a big baby. Yeah. We had a photo shoot yesterday. But I'll ride her later. And then you come back. That's why I said don't come back.
Well, you can't tell me what to do.
I was going to be in the video, but now you're not.
Cool.
What?
Cool.
Then you come in the bars. over here, we have our big water tub. It's just got twine in it. Then we have our whip right here. And then we have this bucket that we were collecting like metal with. And then we have 2 halters, one for each horse, and I was riding with these yesterday, surprisingly. And then we
2 halters?
I mean lead ropes. Okay, I'm sorry. And then we have 2 grain bins down here, and then a broom head, and then hay, and then more hay, and then more hay, and then we have a broken rake, another rake, and then a magnet, and then we have metal right there. And then we'll go this way towards the shop, which I hope got unlocked. It's really big. This side, where the doors are, and over we have like trucks. Not trucks, but we have like the camp. That's okay. And then this side, hopefully got unlocked. Yes, okay. Back here, there's just a bunch of stuff. There's our fridge, and then we got like, that's the work spot. Over here, there's a bunch of wood, hot pans, and a dryer. And then this is the lawnmower I use. I use the rider right here. And then my brother uses this mower. When you come, there's 2 doors. You can either go over here or here. We'll go out that way. First, you have just like paint and stuff. And then you have the horse trailer, which is really small. Then we have the camper. Then you come over here. A bunch of water buckets. And then we have saddle. This is my saddle right here, which I need this. But this is my saddle. It just has lunch. Ooh. Yeah, these are my barrel reins. But it has my lunch line. It has my breast collar, which I can't use because my horse is too small. It has my split reins on it. My split reins just have this on it. And then it has my girth, which I just use a rope girth. And then there's 3 more saddles, which are all my mom's. And over here is just a bunch of crap. Then we come over here. I don't know what all that is back there. Just a bunch of random stuff. And then you come this way to this doorway. And there's the closet, and the fridge. And yeah, and then there's some folding chairs. And come out. And now, okay guys, thanks for watching my video. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Hope you like it. Bye. Okay, now we're gonna go do one of my riding.